Really excited today to have actually produced my first Agentic AI pipeline. This pipeline, which is a concept that I learned with my training at Oxford University, artificial intelligence, is designed to trade the index market. What it does is it basically acts like a brain. It acts like a person doing various research, making decisions on that research, going and pulling more data, and then learning from that data. So the agentic AI is data hungry. The first part of this agentic AI, which I'll show you over here, is ingesting of articles. These articles are scraped or imported from APIs available all over the internet, ingesting articles which are then scored. If I'll just kick this off, just to give you a bit of a snippet on what it's actually doing. So, in order to provide the agentic AI with the information it needs, we need to fetch a lot of information off the internet. The information that we fetch is scored, rated. It's then scored against the various indexes to see how applicable it is to the index. It's given sentiment analysis, and then it's stored into a database. That information is then made available to the agentic AI. Now, switching over to the agentic AI, so as we can see here, this is pumping along and pulling the articles from the internet and scoring them. Now, coming over to the agentic AI, which is, as I said, a concept that I have now put into use, learned from Oxford University during my recent course, and it's going to change the way that I do trading. I currently do arithmetic trading using MetaTrader. This just adds a whole new dimension to it. Basically, it's a pipeline. So when we kick off the pipeline, the agentic AI will then go and pull data. It'll rate that data. It'll pull trade OHLC data. And then it will pull previous predictions that it's made. It'll look at how the previous predictions compare to actuals. It'll then work out skews or deviances, and it'll build that into its next prediction. So over time, it will actually get smarter and smarter, and its predictions will move more in line with accuracy. The agentic AI is basically large language models with a brain. It's like someone sitting in front of the machine doing things as an agent to get the best result. The output of this then will feed into the MetaTrader robots and trade the indexes, which is what I've been doing for a number of years. In order to keep track on what the agentic AI is doing, I actually get it to send me an email. And an example of that email is here, which shows this one here, XAU USD. This is actually gold. And will give me the analysis on what I should do, recommended action, entries, stop losses, take profits, the reason for the decision. It gives me 14-day forecasts, and then it goes in and it starts giving me an audit history of what articles it used, how it used them, why it used them, and then various notes. So yeah, it's really awesome. It's as I said, it's data hungry. So the more data you feed it, the better the result is going to be. So that'll just keep on processing until it comes up with the result for all of the various indexes, and it then pulls in as part of its process. It pulls previous predictions and rates them against the open, high, low, closed data. And then feeds that into future predictions. So anyway, that's an agentic AI. I'm very, very happy with the result, and really looking forward to as it learns over the next 14 days. It'll take 14 days before it gets up to full speed with a long pipeline and previous histories to ingest. So after that 14 days, I'll be watching this very closely, and if I'm happy with the results, I will connect it to the robots and use it as as another guideline or a guardrail for entry. Anyway, that's my little blog on Agentic AI, and yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing where this goes.